Transform your look with a stunning blue jellyfish temporary tattoo. Start by ensuring your skin is clean and dry. Carefully position the temporary tattoo on your skin, ensuring it's level and centered. Apply gentle, constant pressure with your fingertips. With caution, lift a corner of the tattoo to check its adherence. Once you're confident the tattoo is in place, gently remove the backing with a slow, steady motion. Finally, allow the tattoo to air dry for a few minutes. Avoid touching it while it sets to ensure optimal fixation.